Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and expert advice on finance and economics to help you become rich. As the 2023 recession approaches, it's never too early to start thinking about how you can take advantage of this major economic shift and turn it into your personal windfall. With any luck, you'll be in the right place at the right time, buying and selling wisely. And when the dust settles, you'll be substantially wealthier than you are today. Here are 7 ways to use the 2023 recession to get rich. Number 1. Start planning now. It's never too early to start planning for the future. In the event of a recession, there are many things you can do now to make your business better suited for survival. Start by securing a job with a company that will be able to weather the storm. Next, focus on implementing strategies to secure future growth in order to create sustainable success. Create savings by scaling back and implementing cost control measures by listing down your expenses. Number 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best way to use the recession to get your finances back on track. It's important to know that education never goes out of style, and as long as you're investing in yourself, you will always have something valuable to offer. Your skills will be in demand for many years, even if there are economic ups and downs. Make an investment now so that when times are tough again, you'll be better prepared. Number 3. Have an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is one of the most important things you can do to protect yourself against a recession. You will need money in your bank account to cover any unplanned expenses and have it readily available so that you don't have to borrow money from friends or family. Having an emergency fund will help you avoid taking on more debt during a recession, which could make it difficult for you to get back out of it once the economy starts improving again. I recommend saving up at least 6 months' worth of living expenses before investing in any funds in stocks or bonds. Number 4. Invest in assets, not liabilities. The best way to use the coming recession is to invest in assets, not liabilities. In other words, buy stocks or bonds instead of buying a new car or a house. This is because stocks and bonds are considered assets because they produces income, whereas cars and houses are considered liabilities because they cost money to maintain. When the economy goes bad, there's less demand for these expensive items, so their prices drop. But when the economy improves, you can sell your stocks and bonds at higher prices than you bought them for. Number 5. Create multiple streams of income. The key to surviving the recession is to create multiple streams of income. There are a number of ways you can do this, and we've outlined the top 7 below. Number 1. Start a side hustle. This could be anything from selling things on eBay or Etsy to providing a service like social media management, web designing, pet sitting, housekeeping, or handyman work. Number 2. Create passive income through investments in stocks, real estate investment trusts, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. Number 3. Build an online store and take advantage of marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Number 4. Sell your goods locally at a craft fair, flea market, or other local event. Number 5. Rent out your home for short periods of time with services like Airbnb and vacation rentals by owner. Number 6. Work with brands to help promote their products through social media influencers, blogs, or vlogs. Number 7. Turn your hobby into a profitable business venture with e-commerce shops such as Shopify, Big Cartel, and Squarespace. Don't give up. It may not feel like it now, but there will eventually come a time when you have much more money than ever before. Number 6. Invest in cash-generating assets. Investing in cash-generating assets is a great way to make use of the recession to get rich. By investing in things like rental properties, stocks, and bonds, you'll be able to generate income now while prices are still low. Plus, if you sell these investments, when prices return to normal, you'll have made a nice profit. Number 7. Stay disciplined. It is easy to get caught up in the negativity of a recession, but it is important not to let it affect your actions or attitude. You may have to work harder and longer than you would like, but do your best to maintain a positive mindset. Stay disciplined with your spending and don't get too self-satisfied when things are going well. Maintaining a long-term perspective will help you make smarter decisions. Recognize that some short-term pain can result from doing the right thing for yourself and those around you. Be wise about what you buy, sell, invest in, and spend time on so that you can be successful in both bad times and good times. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In case one form of income disappears, it will be easier to make it up by using one or two of the others that you've acquired. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos for more insights on economics and finances.